Hi, I'm Rachel Gray. Welcome to my cooking channel. The 4th of July is coming right up, so let me share with you the dip that I would make every 4th of July party. This dip is known as the 7-layer dip, but in my world we just call it the dip. It's great for every party that you're going to have. You can make it a day before and keep it in the refrigerator and then just take it out and serve it at room temperature. It's easy to put together and it's delicious. They sell this at grocery stores, but the one you make at home is way better than the one at the grocery store. So I'll show you how to make it. So let's go over the ingredients we're going to need to make the dip. The first thing we're going to need is a can of refried beans. Then we'll need 2 avocados and some guacamole mix, or you can just make your own guacamole, or you can just buy it already done. Whatever, you need some guacamole. Then we're going to need a pint of sour cream and some taco seasoning to go inside of it. On top we need 2 cups of shredded cheddar. We need 2 tomatoes chopped. We need 2 green onions sliced, 2.25 ounce can of sliced olives, or I just have these little pearls to go, and I'm just going to use 2 of those. And some tortilla chips. The first thing we're going to need to do is prep our vegetables. Now that I have all of the ingredients prepped and ready to go, I'm just going to assemble them. So the first layer is the refried beans. So I just want to kind of stir them up a little bit as they come out, and then just mash them up. Spread them evenly on the bottom of your dish. This dip works best if it's a shallow dish that kind of has some sides on it, because all the layers kind of need to be held. So beans down first, then guacamole. And just spread that on top of the beans. Next is the sour cream. And then go ahead and spread that out. Now what you want to do is make sure you suffocate that guacamole. That way, if you make it in advance, you can put it in the refrigerator and it's fine. And it won't turn black as long as you just cover that completely so that it's not exposed to the air. And there we go, my guacamole is all covered, and now I'm just going to treat it like a pizza. I'm just going to take the cheese and spread it over the top. And then the tomatoes. And you want to get it all the way to the edge. Next, the green onions. And finally, the olives. And voila, it's beautiful. And it's delicious. And there it is, the 7-layer dip. No party is complete without it, and it's super easy to put together. Bring this dip and you'll be the star of your 4th of July party. And don't forget the tortilla chips. You can find this recipe and over 200 other recipes on my blog, cookingwithrachel101.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Subscribing is free. And if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.